Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh madam. We discuss about the chapter 5th. There is important point which is related with the secondary economic activity, that is classification of industries. Almost manufacturing is one of the important process of industries. Manufacturing industries are broadly classified on the basis of size, source of raw material, nature of products, and its ownership. There are four subtypes of industries. They are based on a different base. For example, raw material, size, nature of a products, and last ownership is there. The classification based on source of raw material is also subdivided into five types. The first is agro-based industry. Second, marine-based industry. Third, forest-based industry. Fourth, mineral-based industries. And fifth, that is a pastoral-based industries. These are the five subtypes which classified on the basis of source of raw material. Almost the source are from the primary sector, like mining means minerals are there, coal, iron and many other minerals are there, oil is also there, forestry, forest material is there as like a paper pulp, then wood for furniture, agriculture, there is a crops are important like a cotton, sugarcane, this is the agro-based raw material. Then fishing, there are also fishing based industries are also there. So the products we get from the primary occupation. The first industry, that is a agro based industry. Industries which are depend on agricultural raw material, such industries are known as agro based industries. Almost these industries are depend on agricultural production. That production is used as a raw material for other industry. For example, sugar mills. Sugar mills are depend on sugarcane. Sugarcane is a products of agriculture, and that sugarcane is a raw material which used for the production of sugar in sugar mill. Then in textile mills, the textile mills are depend on cotton. Cotton is a product of agriculture. Food processing industries are also depend on vegetable and fruits. Due to process on agricultural perishable material converted into the finished product because of the industries, the processing is there on a raw material, which raw material is a perishable raw material. Because of the processing, that perishable products converted into a finished product. There are, now look at this picture, it shows a fishing activities there, fishes are there, then other marine resource we can observe in this picture. This is the marine based industries, the industries in which processing and the canning of a fish and fish products and other marine products is known as a marine based industry. Now the processing is there on a fish. For example, fish oil is also important for the medicinal purpose. Then fish are also important raw material in a chemical in a fertilizers also. So the fish, if we can the fish, it is also for their perishableness, to extend their use. That is also one of the process. Canning is also one of the process which done in a secondary occupation, that is the industry. So sometime processing is there to maintain that products for a long period, and sometime processing is there to convert that product into other product is also there. So about fishing, meat, there is also canning is one of the important process which is a practice in industries. So in the industries, the processing and canning of a fish and fish product and other marine products is known as a marine based industries. For example, production of fish oil from the fish, then ornamental objects from the oceans like precious pearls and stones are there, shells and etc. So this type of industries are known as a marine based industries. Now observe this picture. This picture shows production related with the forest product. Here is a wood or timber. Then here is some furniture like a sofa and chairs are there. Then this is a paper. This is a currency. Then thread, and this is also mill is there. Sawmill is there. So these all things are related with the forest based industries there. The industries in which forest products are processed, such industries are known as a forest based industries. For example, the paper manufacturing industries are used paper pulp through the wood from the coniferous forest. Timber is used for furniture as well as resin, gums, colors, dyes, fragrant oils and turpentine is also products from the forest based industries. So there are the several products which are depend and we get through the forest region. Those industries which produce that products, processing on them, such industries are known as a forest based industries. Now here is some processing of some metals. This is a metal industry. Here is some ore is there, and after the processing it converts into the pure metal. This is the mineral based industries. Industries which are depend on the mineral wealth is known as a mineral based industries. For example, petrochemical industries, iron and steel industries, aluminum industries and etc. are known as a mineral based industries. There is the industries which are depend on the minerals. They are converted ore into the finished product, into the metal. For example, we produce iron and steel from the iron ore, and with the help of coal. Aluminium, we produce aluminium from bauxite ore. So these are the mineral based industries are there. Now the last important point, that is if you observe this figure, there is a milk processing unit and milk products are there. There is a Amul. Amul is one of the important brand in India which is produce several dairy products. Now here is a bottle, milk bottles are there. So milk is also one of the important need of population. And that's why there are several industries which are depend on the animal husbandry. So the industries which are depend on animal husbandry are known as a pastoral based industries. The industries which are depend on animals raw material, such industries are known as pastoral based industries. For example, the leather bags, chaplas, shoes are depend on animal skin. Curd, then cheese, ghee, other sweets are also depend on milk. Then silk cloth, woolen cloth, jacket industries and etc. industries are also depend on the pastoral based industries. So in this way we can discuss the 5 important types which are depend on a raw material or goods like agricultural, marine, mining, and animal products are there. In this way we cover this first type of industries. Okay, thank you.